Look what I got here. A load of Madre de Agua. And because we didn't have rain for like 2 weeks, my Madre de Agua is growing so much. And like before, I have mentioned in my vlog that I'm cutting or trimming off the Madre de Agua branch that has at least 6 nodes, and now it's kind of taller because we've just been sending them out of the real estate property with so much grass. So it gave my Madre de Agua some time to grow. Like, look at this area, guys. It's too bushy. I tried to maintain it as low as possible, like man height or an arm over man height. I mean, my height. An arm over chick's height, just for me to be like, for convenience, you know. And now I'm getting so much cuttings. Look at these, guys. It's so bushy now. Like this area, in this area here, I've cut a lot already. And yeah, so bushy. Like, I can't believe, like, I can hardly pass, like, in this row here at the back. Like, ding, 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 ding. Yeah, this row. Look at this. And this. And like when I do like that, it's way so high above me already. Like this. Yeah, so high already. This. Oh, my shiny face. Hey, where is that? Yeah, that one. Well, I cannot, like, yeah. So like, it's so tall already just for 2 weeks that I did not harvest, guys. It's too bushy. Oh, so yeah, it's gonna be planting time soon. I'm just going to soak it in water, allow it to root a little bit, and when rain comes again, like, look at this. How many nodes is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 nodes. So that 2 weeks gives me extra nodes, you know. So like, if like at least 9 nodes, then I can start cutting for new plantings like this. These are my latest the latest cuttings that I planted. So because this is a wet area and a shady area, I'm going to fill this all with Madre de Agua. That way I can use the land even if it's like, so it's wet here all the time with all this shade near the creek. This is the creek area, so even my neem trees are like going this way because of these trees of the neighbor. It's just the trees that, you know, just grows. They did not plant, but still they have to maintain, right? But right now the son of the landowner is sick, so he cannot do it. He cannot see anymore with his cancer, so like really we cannot do anything about it. And the owner is in Manila, so nobody will work in their farm. This is the how you call the tapiocas that Manong Fredo planted before. This was hit by the brush cutter, but still it grows. It's kind of perennial. Even if it just lays on the ground, it grows like this one here. So it's good, although it will become like so leafy if it's under the sun, but because it's a shady area, this is more favorable to the Madre de Agua for my goats. forecast says it's gonna rain today, or by the looks, tonight. Yeah, so I changed my mind. I don't want to wait for like few days for the Madre de Agua to root in the water. I'll just directly stick it to the ground. That's what I usually do. Not anymore like before. If you have seen my, no, I think it was William's video before when I started planting Madre de Agua. I put it in bags and collected some I call soil from Papa's property in another municipality. But this time I've tried different ways of planting it, and it's okay just to stick it to the ground as long as the ground is kind of wet and moist. So let's do it. Just keep planting, guys. And at the back of that, I'm gonna plant also some morning glory. So all done, guys. I'll be preparing for feeding time and water time. Feeding time for the piglets, water time for the birds and William. So thanks for watching. This has been One Pinoy Chick Chats. So just when I finish planting, watering everybody, and cleaning the goat pens, it rained. So my plants are happy again, and my newly planted Madre de Agua and Morning Glory or water spinach are all happy.